Students, welcome to our online learning class in English. Are you ready to learn now? Let's begin. Before we start our class, we will sing a song. The title of the song is the Greeting Song. The Greeting Song. Let's read it slowly. Okay, repeat after teacher. Good morning. Good morning. Good afternoon. Good evening. Good evening. Good night. Good night. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you too. Goodbye. Goodbye. See you. Okay, now let's try it with tune, okay? We're gonna sing the song with tune. Are you ready? Let's try it slowly. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good evening, good night, good night. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you too. Goodbye, goodbye, see you. Good morning, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good night, goodbye. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you too. Goodbye, goodbye, see you. Okay, now let's try it with music. In 3, 2, 1.
Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good night. Nice to meet you too. Goodbye, see you. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good night. Nice to meet you too. Goodbye, see you. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good night. Nice to meet you too. Goodbye, see you. See you later.
Wow, I like your energy. Now we will review the greetings. What greeting is this? What do you say in the morning? Very good. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good job. Good morning, students. Very good. Good morning, students. Great. You can say good morning, teacher. Next one. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Good afternoon, students. Good job. Good afternoon, students. Nice try. Let's try to speak the next one. Good evening. Good evening. Good evening, students. Good evening, teacher. That's right. Let's try the next greeting. Good night. Good night. Good night, students. That's right. Next one. Goodbye. Goodbye. Goodbye, students. Very good. Next one. Do you know how to say this one? Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you, students. Very good. You should say, nice to meet you too. All right. This is our exercise. Okay. For exercise, last time, I asked you to match the pictures with the correct greeting. Number 1, what is number 1? Can you tell me what's number 1? Very good. It's good morning. Good morning. What's number 2? Can you tell me? Raise your hand. Good night. Very good. Good night. Number 3. Let's try to answer it. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Okay. Can you answer number 4? What's the answer in number 4? Good one. Goodbye. Goodbye. And the last one, what's the answer? Good evening. Good evening. Nice try. That's a good one. Number 1 is good morning. Number 2, good night. Number 3, good afternoon. Number 4, goodbye. Number 5, good evening. Okay, now let's go to speaking time. I want you to speak and I want you to practice how you introduce yourself. Let me try it, okay? Let's read it first. Good morning, Teacher Jenny. Good morning, Teacher Jenny. My name is... Nice to meet you. One more time. Good morning, Teacher Jenny. My name is... Nice to meet you. Alright. Now, teacher will try to practice, okay? Now, I want you to record yourself. Take a video of yourself, record, and send to Teacher Jenny. Example. Good morning, teacher. My name is Jenny. Nice to meet you. That's it. I know you can do it. Okay, take a video and send to Teacher Jenny. Alright, that's the end of our class for today. I hope to see you soon, everyone. Goodbye. See you.